Oh, hi everybody, thought I'd make some bread today. I use a bread maker. Mine's a Panasonic SD 2500. I don't think you can see this because the light's not good enough. This is Little Zone fast action dried yeast. It would be 1 teaspoonful, and I know that's what's left in there. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now I turn my scales on, and I want 200 grams of a mixture of any brown flour. So this first one is spelt. And then this is granary. Oh, nearly there. And then it should be 200 grams of strong bread flour, white. I'm not sure if I've got 200, so we'll see how we go. No, that's 288. So I don't know whether you can see, this is plain flour, as in baking flour, but you can still make it up. In an emergency, you can make bread with plain flour, not strong. There we go. Now I'd normally make this direct into my bread machine. I'm doing it in here so you can see what I'm doing. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is sea salt. And now the fun bit. Let's just move you a little bit closer. Now for the fun bit. Adding in what we want. So this is going to be hemp seed bread. And I like to put in a good 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Now you can put linseed, whole linseeds rather than ground, because that will soak up the liquid too much. You can put in sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, anything you want. But for now, that's what I'm going to put in. Then it's clear down to 0 and put in 15 grams of oil. This is mixed olive oil. There we go. And then I've got 300 mils of warm water, but I'm not going to do that yet until I've got this in my maker. Until I'm used to doing it directly into here. So that's in there. Put the 300 ml of water in. Put that in. Close the lid. Switch it on. Under the menu, I like button 2. That cooks for 1 hour 55 because it's a medium-sized loaf with a medium-sized crust, medium coloured crust. We push start. 1 hour 55. All right, folks, it has just beeped to let me know that it has finished. So I push the stop button, switch off at the wall. Ooh, let's see what we got. Can you see that? Tip it out. There you have it. So we're going to cover that up now. Keep the flies off it. And leave it for an hour or so to cool down. Once it's cool, I'll get the slicer machine out and we'll slice it. Hi everyone and welcome back. The bread has finally cooled, so hubby's now going to slice it using this lovely machine that we got from Lakeland many years ago and can't find replacement blades, but there you go. You might well ask, why do we use a bread maker? Well, years ago I used to make all my bread by hand, but as you age you get a bit limp in your wrists and it just makes life a bit more difficult and uncomfortable. So I found having a bread maker a lot easier. We generally make, on average, 2 of these medium loaves a week. Okay, now on to the slicing. If it gets too noisy, I'll try and reduce the sound of the machine in editing or mute it out altogether. Okay, so let's see if we can see. I'm not sure we can get a good shot of it there. So this one is the hemp seed bread. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.